A drink spill on the sofa or a muddy mark in the car does not always justify pulling out a full-size carpet machine. The BISSELL Little Green Mini is built for those focused cleanup jobs. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. Its compact, lightweight body is designed to spray cleaning solution, scrub the surface, and lift away dirt and stains from upholstery, carpeted stairs, car interiors, and pet beds. The included 4-inch tough stain tool gives you a practical working head for concentrated spots. Its removable lens also makes the tool easier to inspect after a messy job. BISSELL also includes a HydroRinse tool for flushing the hose after cleaning, plus a small bottle of little green formula. Those details make the post-cleanup routine more manageable. The mini format is the ownership advantage here. It can fit in a cabinet or closet and is easier to bring to the spill instead of rearranging a room around a larger cleaner. The limitation is scope. This is a portable spot cleaner, not the ideal machine for deep cleaning an entire room, and you still need to empty, rinse, and dry the components after use. Overall, the Little Green Mini makes the most sense for apartments, pet households, car owners, and anyone who wants a compact cleaner ready for upholstery and isolated stains.